Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. I have a natural juice for you. Really good to build your immune system. This juice here, natural juice, it will be carrot and tomato juice with a little bit of lime and ginger, or you can use lemon. I have a lemon here. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of honey and a bottle of water. You can use any water of your choice. So now my peeps, all these healthy and refreshing fruits or vegetable, all of these fruits are packed, or most of them are packed with lots of antioxidants, lots of vitamin C, good for your immune system. All right guys, and you know that carrot has beta carotene, and that has powerful antioxidants which help in build your immune system. Good for your skin, good for your teeth, good for your bones. Keep diseases and inflammation to a bay. They won't come close. All right guys, and also you know my ginger. I can't live without my ginger. Ginger is good for pain and cold, flu. The ginger is also good for digestion and nausea and all of that, headache, you know. And can't talk about lime or lemon juice. You know, they have lots of antioxidants, high, very high in vitamin C, and they help to protect your cells from being damaged. They absorb iron from food. Oh my God. Together, all of this are powerhouse. Tomato has super antioxidants packed with vitamin C and A, good to lower your cholesterol and help with blood clot. All right, so tomato and carrot and all of this goodness here, it's gonna build you, it's gonna clean your system. And now guys, we need to build our immune system, all right, to fight away all these diseases and bacteria. All right guys, this is a long talking, but it needs to be said. Let's get into this video. I'm gonna cut up all of this, wash them good. Remember to wash them in some vinegar, or just wash them many times. I'm gonna cut up all of this and then I'm gonna come right back. So you need one medium-sized tomato, you need a little piece of ginger, half of lemon or a lime, and you need about 2 to 3 small to medium carrots. All right, and that's it. You're gonna add everything all at once and we're gonna blend it up. If the blender can't hold guys, blend a little bit at a time, or use a big blender. I think mine can hold. There, it holds. And I'm gonna squeeze this juice after. We're going in with the water. That's enough. Then we're gonna cover this and we're gonna blend it. And now we're gonna blend this bad boy. And that's it guys. So this is it when you finish blend it and you want to strain it. All right, you can also make it without straining it by cutting up the carrot or shredding the carrot. Then you can just make a smoothie. Okay, and it's gonna look something like that. All right guys, can you see how refreshing and nice this is? Wow, you can drink it just like that. All right, now we're gonna squeeze our half of lemon, or you can put lime. Watch the seeds. And I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of honey. Honey good for you, okay? All right guys, now I have my glass over here. I put it in the freezer. I pour some in a container so it doesn't spill, and now we're gonna pour it in the glass. there you have it, guys, and that's the final result. Really healthy and refreshing, guys. Please try this drink and tell me how you like it. If you want, you can add some sugar to it as well. Look at that. Love upon me and I love upon you. Refreshing and nice. Bye, guys. Even if it looks like it's settling somewhat, just mix it and drink it, guys. It's good to go. Bye, guys.